Hello everyone and welcome back to Law Statistics. Today's presentation is all about amendment procedure of Indian Constitution as how Indian Constitution is being amended. So the list of type of amendments can be found below. There are three ways in which the Constitution can be amended. Amendment by simple majority of the Parliament, amendment by special majority, amendment by special majority of Parliament, and the ratification of at least half of the state legislatures. Article 368, which to define constitutional amendment process, Article 368 of Part 20 of Indian Constitution provides for two types of amendment: by special majority of Parliament and by special majority of Parliament and rectification by half of the total states. Article 368 of Indian Constitution mentions two types of amendment to the Indian Constitution. One type of amendment is by special majority of Parliament and the second type of amendment is by the majority of states. By simple majority of Parliament, use of the English language in Parliament, number of puissant judges in Supreme Court, conferment of more jurisdiction on the Supreme Court, citizenship, acquisition and termination, elections to Parliament and state legislatures, delimitation of constituencies, union territories, and so on. Then we have a number of provisions in the Constitution can be amended by a majority of the two houses of Parliament outside the scope of Article 368. By special majority of Parliament, the majority of the provisions in the Constitution need be amendment by a special majority of the Parliament, that is a majority of more than 50% of the total membership of each house and a majority of 2/3 of the members of each house present and voting. By special majority of Parliament and consent of states, those provisions of the Constitution which are related to the federal structure of the polity can be amended by a special majority of the Parliament and also with the consent of half of the state legislature by a simple majority. The following provisions can be amended in the way: election of the President and its manner, extent of the executing power of the Union and the state, Supreme Court and High Courts distribution of legislature power between the Union and states, and the 7th schedule, and so on. Constitutional amendment process. The process of the amendment of the Constitution as laid down in Article 368 is as follows. An amendment of the Constitution can be initiated only by the introduction of a bill for the purpose in either House of Parliament and not in the state legislatures. The bill can be introduced either by a minister or by a private member and does not require prior permission of the President. The bill must be passed in each house by a special majority, that is more than 50%. In case of disagreement between the two houses, there is no provision for holding a joint sitting of the two houses for the purpose of deliberation and passage of the bill. After the President's assent, the bill becomes an act. Various judgments are here which have emerged on basic features of the Indian Constitution: supremacy of the Constitution, welfare state, principle of equality, sovereign, democratic and republican nature of the Indian polity, judicial review, free and fair elections, the secular character of the Constitution, freedom and dignity of the individual, independence of judiciary, separation of power, parliamentary system, limited power of Parliament to amend the Constitution, federal character of Constitution, rule of law, effective access to justice, unity and integrity of nation. Then we have harmony and balance between fundamental rights and directive principles, that is under part 3rd and part 4. Then we have reasonableness. That's all for the today's presentation. Thank you and have a great day ahead.